Hello, and welcome to What's That with Prisma Cloud, the show that breaks down complex cloud security topics into easy-to-understand concepts. I'm Steve Giguere, and today I'm excited to talk to you about a topic that's very much top of mind for me, AI Security Posture Management, or AI-SPM. Now, before we get to the topic of the day, we need to take a step back to understand what security posture management is to fully appreciate what AI-SPM brings to the table. Shall we? Security posture refers to how well an organization is prepared to detect, manage, and stop security threats. Picture this. Your organization is a ship navigating the ocean, and security posture is like the ship's overall readiness to handle any storms, pirates, or other risks. With this in mind, security posture management is how you keep your organization seaworthy and safe. SPM tools help you spot potential dangers, fix vulnerabilities, and make sure every part of your organization is secure. Most organizations use several types of security posture management tools, including CSPM, or Cloud Security Posture Management, the OG of SPMs, KSPM with a K for Kubernetes, ASPM with A for application, DSPM with D for data. Why do we need all these SPMs? Because each part of an organization, from the network to its data, cloud, and applications, has its own unique risks, compliance concerns, and opportunities for misconfigurations. Security posture management tools provide full visibility into these risks as well as the steps to take to resolve them. Imagine you're the captain of our ship. You are responsible for making sure all the knobs, dials, and levers on your instrument panel are in the right position to keep the ship on course. If any of these are set incorrectly, it could lead to a serious mishap. Security posture management is like a control system that ensures every knob, dial, and lever is in the right position to keep your organization safe. If you think about the cloud, one dial in the wrong direction could mean a misconfiguration, one of the leading causes of data breach. For example, excessive permissions might mean a user has full access to all environment secrets, an open door for unauthorized access leading to a breach. CSPM steps in to identify this misconfiguration and point out how to resolve the issue. With Kubernetes, an open source platform for running cloud containers, a misconfiguration of a pod could allow a compromise of the underlying hosting environment. KSPM, again, is there to help pull the right lever to prevent such a flaw from occurring. So what does all of this have to do with AI? AI-SPM takes elements from existing security posture management approaches like CSPM and KSPM and adapts them to address the specific challenges of AI systems. AI security posture management is how organizations can handle the new security challenges that come with using AI. It equips organizations with the right tools to spot and deal with AI-specific threats before they become a problem. The goal is to protect an organization's AI apps, large language models, and data from code to runtime. AI-SPM provides important capabilities like visibility into and discovery of AI models and Gen AI apps across environments, monitoring of AI data pipelines, risk analysis to identify vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and other potential risks, real-time detection and response to prevent data exposure and misuse, and strict controls to support compliance with privacy, security, and emerging AI regulations. These capabilities sound a lot like what you get with CSPM, ASPM, etc., and they are. AI-SPM is a new and necessary flavor designed to answer the question, how can we protect our LLMs and Gen AI models? As we mentioned before, AI in the enterprise brings new risks and compliance challenges, just like the move to the cloud did before it. There's a new pirate on the seas, and AI-SPM helps organizations tackle risks so they can fully leverage AI in their organizations. New attack methods include shadow AI, AI model corruption, AI model misuse, unwanted data exposure, and data compliance violations. Let's start from the top. Shadow AI refers to AI systems or apps that are used without the knowledge of an organization's IT or security team. Because it lacks oversight and proper setup, shadow AI is often the cause of security risks and data privacy and compliance issues. AI-SPM is able to discover AI models in the cloud environment identify the data used to train the models, and identify sensitive data that might become part of a model. By providing this visibility, AI-SPM gives security teams the opportunity to get ahead of potential threats, just like a lookout in a crow's nest warns the ship's crew of danger on the horizon. The next concern is around AI model training. AI models, especially large language models, are trained on huge amounts of data, which might include sensitive information or personal details. Sometimes this happens by accident, and sometimes it's due to malicious attacks like data poisoning that tamper with the training data. Once sensitive data is in the model, it's tough to spot and can accidentally get revealed through normal use or prompt injection attacks. AI-SPM tools help by finding and classifying data used for AI training and operation. They can detect exposed data in places like unsecured storage or databases and alert security teams about potential leaks or unauthorized access. Finally, organizations need to be able to manage and monitor model data. Just applying a data loss prevention or DLP strategy to AI isn't enough. Similar to DSPM, AI-SPM includes capabilities for classifying and protecting AI model data to prevent unwanted data exposure, not to mention constantly monitoring and assessing your AI systems to align with your data regulations. AI-SPM tools can also work with DSPM tools to add information about sensitive data flows, helping prioritize which vulnerabilities to fix first. Let's recap what we've learned in this episode of What's That? AI-SPM is a new flavor of security posture management, like CSPM and DSPM before it. AI-SPM will tell you where models are being deployed, what the full AI stack includes, and what misconfigurations there are for full visibility into AI projects. AI-SPM addresses new attack vectors specific to AI technologies like data poisoning, prompt injection, unwanted data exposure, shadow AI, and data compliance violations. Now that AI is here to stay, with AI-SPM, organizations can proactively protect their AI systems from threats, minimize data exposure, and maintain the trustworthiness of their AI applications. Visit the Prisma Cloud blog for more resources on AI-SPM and how organizations can gain visibility and control over AI models, Gen AI, and the AI supply chain. And be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to get more technology breakdowns in our other What's That videos. I'm Steve Giguere, and this is What's That with Prisma Cloud. Till next time.